gonna make cookies. I have my very important joy of cooking. So we need all-purpose flour, baking soda, butter, sugar, light brown sugar, large egg, teaspoon of salt, and vanilla. And chocolate chips. Don't forget the chocolate chips. Holy crap, this is amazing. Alright, now we have everything. So what you do next is you make sure you have your measuring thing. Spit out my gum. You gotta get a bowl. How big of a bowl do you need? Oh, we should probably preheat the oven. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. We need... Oh, I don't have my... I need my egg. Make sure it's large. What is wrong with me? You need to whisk together a cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Get your bowl out. Very important that you get your bowl out. All-purpose flour. Smart. Alright, now that we've done all the flour that we need half a tablespoon of baking soda. If you don't get this right, I will not hesitate. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. I said it wrong. Oh, go. We'll use a full teaspoon, or death will surely come upon you. Alright, so we'll just put this aside for now. Grab a big bowl. Large. 1 stick of softened butter. I'm gonna teach you how to soften the butter. It smells like butter. Seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So now we just... Now you need half a cup of sugar. And now, I worked so hard to get this. I walked all the way to Tops Friendly Market. Now you've got your mix. So this is the Whisk machine. I'm gonna use a fork for this. Now it's my favorite part. Large egg. Large. Make sure it's large. That's fine there. We want a 4th of a teaspoon of salt. You don't really need to actually measure this out. You can just... That's good. Where's the vanilla extract? Where's my vanilla? I am fuming. Forgot to grab the vanilla extract. Whoops. You want to use 1.5 teaspoons. Insert not Michael Jackson music. So now that we have completed the beating, we need to beat more of the beating. Gen Z, Zoomer. Now we just need a couple of chocolate chips and a couple of cheap chocolate chips. guys hear that? Alright, now I have my chocolate chips folded in. Ooh, this is gonna be a thick cookie. Thick cookie. Follow this recipe if you want thick cookie. Now we have our cookie batch mix. Make sure you grab a pan that is big and for cookies, because that's what pans are. That's what pans are. What am I doing with my life? Anyways, you take little dollops, and I need to butter this pan anyways. You shouldn't have thrown this away. If you threw this away, you're not smart. You take the butter and you butter the pan. 12. Acetone. Acetone. Crap.
So set up 5-minute timer. 5 minutes. Starting.
So now what you're gonna want to do is go to your preheated oven, which you preheated. I'm looking at you, John. And you put it inside the. No, not. Then you put it inside the oven for 9 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, whatever. And now we wait. Wow, that was so quick. How did that happen so quickly? Whoa! So now you're gonna let your cookies dry. You're gonna let your one batch of cookies, let them sit. I have a big brain. Big brain. I am muchly having of the unsmart. What can I say? I'm sorry.
Bruh.
I'm gonna use my fingers this time. Just kidding. Yes. Not kidding. I'm gonna use my fingers. So now you set another timer. We're back. That was so quick. Twice in a row. It only took like 0 time. Let's open up the thing. So once you've finished all that crap, you can take off these cookies and put them on a baking rack. But whatever floats your boat, dude. Whatever is floating der Botten. Want me to be Swedish for the next 5 hours? I will be Swedish for the next 5 hours if you smash the like button. So now that you've buttered up your pan, you do what you did before. You just frickin', you just. Alright, I'm almost done. Almost done, bro. Oh, I did it. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Oh, yay. We're gonna do it. We're gonna oven. And no, I'm not a hunchback. I'm just doing this so you can see me. "12 minutes is the key for my oven. I should probably set you down so I can do the funny clap thing again. It's gonna be explosion. It's gonna be an explosion, Mimi. Cracked. Not enough. Not a goblin. Alright, well, we're almost done with the cookies. We just need to let those. So if you look over here, we've got all these cookies from the last batch and the last batch before that batch. Stupid batch. Mom, I said batch. I would never say the B-I-T-C-H word. Anyways. Dally's cooking the cone. The recipe will be in the description of this video. So make sure to do that. What am I doing with my life? Make sure you put your pills on your cookie.
Internet, I need your help. I have this song stuck in my head and I don't know what it is. It goes, "Bow,